What if I tell you you don't need a social media manager, you don't need expensive tools, and you definitely don't need brother streak? Today I'm going to try creating a viral Instagram reel using ChatGPT. And yes, I am nervous myself too. Here are the rules. First one, using ChatGPT and one free tool, that is Canva. No human creativity, so my mind is on a holiday now. Let's see, can I make a viral reel that gets a lot of views? At first, I asked ChatGPT like this: can you give me a trending and viral Instagram reel ideas that are based on digital marketing? It should be easily creatable and free to make the reel. After that, ChatGPT gave 10 awesome viral reels ideas. The first one is, if I had to start digital marketing in 2026. Second one is, stop doing this on Instagram. Nobody tells you. Third one is, Instagram algorithm doesn't hate you. Fourth one is, this reel format gets views even with zero followers. Fifth one is, digital marketing skills that actually pay. Sixth one is, why your reels are stuck under 500 views. Seventh one is, screen recording reel, no face needed. Eighth one is, three free tools every digital marketer should use. Ninth one is, post this if you want clients. And the last one is, digital marketing is not saturated. So I selected the first idea, that is, if I had to start digital marketing in 2026, because ChatGPT gave this idea at first. So I picked up the first idea. Now if you have the same needs that I have, I want to say another thing. You can use this any 9 ideas that ChatGPT gave. Don't use the first idea because I already taken. So sorry for that. Now after choosing the real idea, we are going to the next step, creating the real script. Now here's the big problem. We have the real idea, but if we want to make reel, we need a attractive and engaging script to make the reel viral. That's our experiment, right? So I asked ChatGPT like, I want a engaging and a hooked script about the first idea. Make a script that attract people to watch this reel fully. Now ChatGPT gives an attractive and engaging script. I like the script. It also has hook and it is very simple and easy to record my voice. So tell me guys, have you liked this script? Tell me in the comment. So I have to choose this script because ChatGPT gave only this one. Now we have real idea and an attractive script. So I have recorded my voiceover. Now we are going to create the Instagram reel. To create a reel, I am gonna use Canva. Now I get it. You think that why can't ChatGPT create a reel? I will tell you that if ChatGPT creates a viral reel, then people don't need their brain anymore. In ChatGPT, you can get only the idea of how to create a reel and the reel layout. ChatGPT can't never create a whole reel and give it to your hand, but other AI tools can do that. But the only disadvantage is that the AI tools that create reels have subscriptions. So you have to pay money to get reels without brainstorming from the AI. I don't recommend also. So go to Canva and search as Instagram reel and select a blank like me or choose any template that you like. If you pick a blank page like me, then choose the attractive background that should resonate your brand. My brand color is mainly blue and yellow, so I put a blue background and some yellow squares in it. So choose your main colors in your background because it's easy for your audience find the reel. After that, upload your audio or voiceover. I uploaded mine. Then I choose some graphics that matches the script. If you already shown your face to your audience, then roll on your camera and shoot your face and upload it. But if you haven't shown your face like me, then create a reel like this. Canva can easily make this type of reels quickly. You can also upload your face, shoot a video, and make some changes. Make sure the reel is attractive so people will easily find your reel and engage with it. So I finally made this reel. If I had to start digital marketing in 2026, I would do this. Short form content is greater than everything. Instagram SEO is greater than hashtags. Focusing on one niche is greater than 10 random pages. And I would ignore 90% of gurus. Skills pay hype doesn't. Follow for real digital marketing. It seems attractive, right? I think you should try to make a reel in a small duration because small length videos gives you more audience attention so that Instagram algorithm will easily push your reel to more people. Now I uploaded this reel in my Instagram account. You can check in my Instagram account, that is TechDanush. I posted this reel on Saturday, that is 10th January. I forgot to say that I didn't add any music or songs. I'm only used by voiceover because of copyright. So I recommend you to use trending and viral song or music to reach more people. Now I posted the reel, but you can see the caption and hashtags, right? For that I asked ChatGPT again like, can you give me a attractive caption for this reel script and also hashtags? ChatGPT gave a extraordinary captions. So I copied that and pasted it. For hashtags also I copied and pasted. So at last the reel was ready to be posted. But I think what time should I post on? So again I asked ChatGPT like, can you just tell me the best posting time for this reel to upload on Instagram? Now ChatGPT suggested to post a reel on 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So I correctly post the reel on 7 p.m. Saturday. Now the result 10. After 2 days I checked the reel whether the reel is gone viral or not. But nothing happens. The reel is not gone to viral or even not get many views. So this is the real insights. As I said, I checked the insights on Monday. It only gets 12 views and 6 account reached and 1 like. That's also given my friend. According to the experiment, the reel should gone to viral or trend, but it hasn't even got a lot of views or engagement such like and comment etc. So the result of this experiment is ChatGPT failed to make the reel viral. Therefore, we can be able to grow our brand only with AI tools. To grow our brand, business, or even a Instagram or YouTube, we need human creativity, brainstorming, and some hard work. So don't rely only on ChatGPT or any AI. Learn people behaviors, what they like, and psychology to build your own business or brand. ChatGPT or other AI tools only helps you to faster the process and saves time. But growing a business, you should do some efforts. That's the only difference that we have between human and AI. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting experiments like this. If you are interested that if I get a sales from using only ChatGPT, click this video and peace out.